So today I am doing a vlog for like every week because this is the beginning of Ramadan. This is a horrible angle. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, so right now it's like almost 5 in the morning and I have to go downstairs and eat for SOOO. So yeah, I'm gonna be fasting all day, and it's a school day too. It's a Thursday. It's my first time fasting when it's a school day, so I don't even know how this is gonna be, but we'll see. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys like this video and videos I'm gonna be posting each Sunday, I guess. I don't know, let's keep it up and see how it goes. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not already, and let's see how this day goes. Hey Bo, wake up. Oh my god, I'm up there. Hey Bo, wake up. Hey Bo, wake up. Hey Bo, it's SOOO. Hey Bo. You need to wake up. Hey Bo, don't you want to wake up? So I just finished eating and now it's like 5:30 and now I have to go pray because it's like 5 daily prayers, and if you don't pray the first one, like, it doesn't really count then. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, I literally have to go to school at like 7 something, so don't even know if I'm gonna sleep, but I probably should because I'm gonna be really tired. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wake up because I never wake up again at 7 when I have Ramadan, because it's usually in like the summer, so this is new, you know, this is new. But yeah, I hope you guys like this first vlog. I don't know how I'm gonna vlog on my phone. I don't know if I'm not gonna vlog at home. School. That's gonna be like really weird. Nothing much is going on. School's almost out. I don't even have to go on the last day of school because I don't even have finals. That's new. Also, The Flash is the best show in the world. Literally, I love it. I'm watching it. My sister got me obsessed and it's so good. And you should watch it too if you don't. And yeah, it's really good. I hope this vlog is not boring. Also, my friend, if you might know, also you should follow our page. It's really cool. It's this thing right here. It's amazing. You should hit up on Instagram and follow real quick. Okay, so it's like 9 o'clock now and I missed first period. Well, first period's still going on, but I missed it. So I'm just waiting for second period. And now I have to drop her off to school. I'll show you. Hey boss, say hi to the camera.
Actually, go away. I'm not standing any of this to you.
Yes, you are. I'm also vlogging this on her phone because my phone sucks. And also because I don't have a vlog camera. And I'm going to ask that for my birthday, which is June 3rd. And there's our birds. And yeah. Hey, come on, wake up. I have so much energy. Woohoo. My stomach kind of hurts, but it's fine. It's good. Oh, also, I want to show you what I'm going to wear today to school. Let's go. My room's a mess. It's really ugly too, but it's fine. It's fine. Now we're in my room. It looks like a little box, but it's actually not that small. Don't know what it does. Hold up. Let me just like hide it. There we go. I have a little hat and that. But yeah, I just woke up. What time is it? It is 9:06, and my friends keep texting me saying, "Where are you?" And I'm just gonna be like, "I slept, but it's fine." Okay, my stomach actually hurts now. Okay, because I'm gonna leave at like 9:45 or something. So we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. I have to make a note though. There's 4 days of school left, but like I'm not going on the last day of school because I don't have any finals, so that's what's up. Anyway, let me show you my outfit. Let's go. So it's this really cute like mock neck long sleeves shirt. It's like kind of cropped, I guess, and has like little ruffles everywhere, or like on the sleeves and everything. And then I have this like nude jumpsuit, which is really cute too, but I don't know if I should wear it or not, or if it's like too much. Because here's the shirt, and then here's the jumpsuit. It has like pockets, and it's really comfortable. Like, it feels like you're just wearing pajamas, but I don't know. Should I or should I not? So I decided not to wear that. I'm just wearing this like long sleeves mock neck and then some mom jeans, which are kind of tight on me. I don't know why. But yeah, here's the things. Now I'm going to school, so that's great. I love school. Oh, great. I just need to do my makeup though.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Day 37. I'm eating. Just woke up. These are really good. I'm gonna go do that. Peace out. It's finished.
Assalamu alaikum. Sisters, may I have your attention, please?
Hey guys, so this is day 2 of Ramadan. Oh my god, my hair's a mess. And yeah, I just came back from eating at SOOO. So yeah, I don't know if I ate a lot because I feel like I'm gonna get really hungry real fast. But yeah. Anyways, I found out my SAT score today and I'm so scared. I really hope it's like what I want it to be. And yeah, I'm just praying, you know, during Ramadan you get what you want sometimes.
Ew, this is so ugly. Wait, can you not post this one?
No, it's fine. Okay, wait. Flash.
You know, this is our traditional what we wear.
Shut up! You sound retarded. Oh my god, she's leaving in like a few days.
No, in like 2 weeks.
Also, you should follow our Instagram. It's really good.
Oh yeah. What is it?
Solid reach. Yeah.
Follow it. Oh my god, my battery's gonna run low because of this. Okay, I literally look like an egg.
What else do you want to talk about?
Okay, can you not do this angle?
The guy. Ew, don't stand up and do it, Parliament.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सब लोग आज तीसरी दिन है रमदान का और हम लोग ने आज रोज़ा रखा है इसलिए रोज़ा नहीं रखा बहुत बेगैरत है और ये वाली वो भी बहुत बेगैरत है और सब लोग बहुत बेगैरत है देखो क्या कर रहे हैं बॉल के ऊपर लड़ रहे हैं जहन्नुम में मरेंगे सड़ेंगे जहन्नुम में
आयशा
देखो ये सारे बॉयज नज़ारे ये उन लोग से प्यार करता है खबीस बहुत बहुत जहन्नुम में नहीं जाए ना तो सरप्राइज होगा मैं नहीं खेल रही माफ कर ले क्या चाहिए we're vlogging
We're not even going to hear something about your sister. Aisha, Reej, Reej, come say hi to my vlog.
hey
You're child. Band kar.
hood, Lahore. You know what? We are chilling out here.
Follow Sarah and reach.
Golden hour. Here, Ma. Here's the sun. There's trees. I'm gonna watch the road. I don't have time for accidents. Oh my god, season 2 is amazing! Hey, Bo, what do you think about season 2? Hey, Bo. They want to know. This is my vlog. Oh wait, we're all too dark now.
Hey guys.
Okay, Tanya has the good lighting area.
Hey guys.
Thanks for. Shut up! I know it's not mine. It's Hiba's. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. This is the last day because I'm doing like 1 week vlog. So I vlog in a week. This is my vlog. Not much to say, really bad quality. Ooh, how would we do that? Never mind. How would we do this? Never mind. I'm gonna stop now. Okay, bye! Say bye!
To love her.